Got this TECBOT robot vacuum, and I wanted to show you what it looked like when it arrived in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and get it open here. So it has a cover on the vacuum. One thing that's really sweet about this particular one is it has a sensor on top, so it can kind of check your floor plan, as well as it has 2 brushes that are on it. It comes with 2 additional brushes. You have your cleaning tool. It comes with the batteries already for the remote control, and you can also control this via the web. We have our charging and we have our docking station. So I'm going to get this all set up and charged, and we're going to try it out. All right, so I've gotten everything out, read the instructions. We're going to go ahead and put the batteries in the remote control. Close it up. You want to make sure you keep the cleaning tool nearby, because this is for getting hair out of it, cleaning the device, brushing out the filter. When you're getting ready to use this, you need to make sure and pull out these plugs on each side. It comes with a very nice brush here. It does have 2 of these on here, but they seem to get kinked at first when they were put in the box. Then here on the back is where you remove the filtration. When you need to clean out the filter, that's there. And then this is how you clean out the bin. So I'm going to go ahead and get it put on the charger here. We'll let it charge, and then we'll take it out for a run and see how much it picks up.
Welcome, used robot vacuum cleaner. Glad to serve you. The robot is ready. Charging start.
So you can either use a TECBOT app that you're going to find a QR code in the instructions to control the vacuum, or you can use the remote control that comes in the box as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed and connect it to my Wi-Fi. So now that I have the app installed, the one thing you have to make sure is that your phone is on the same 2.4 gigahertz network. Otherwise, you cannot connect this to the vacuum because it will not work with the 5G connection. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up. So one thing I learned while getting this set up is to get it on the Wi-Fi, you have to have it off the dock, and then you can put it in pairing mode. All right, so I've got the app all installed now, connected to the Wi-Fi. I'll just hit start cleaning, and here we go.
Start cleaning.
This is the first time sending it out, so it's going to go ahead and map the house, and we'll go ahead and track its progress. As you can tell, it's nice and quiet as it moves around.
Charging start.
All right, now that the vacuum's back, I'll go ahead and take out the container, and we can go ahead and get it open so we can go get it dumped in the trash. And then use the brush to wipe off the filter and get it all clean, and you're ready to go for the next time.